Prime Minister in his Independence Day speech. In his speech, the Prime Minister announced that Lakshadweep will be connected to mainland through submarine optical fiber cable, made the people overwhelmed with joy.
अगले 1000 दिन में लक्षद्वीप को भी तेज इंटरनेट की सुविधा से जोड़ने का हमने लक्ष्य रखा है.
The people of Lakshadweep, the smallest union territory of India, is overwhelmed with joy after hearing the Honorable Prime Minister's Independence Day speech. Prime Minister's announcement of connecting Lakshadweep to mainland by submarine optical fiber cable is a much-needed relief to the people of Lakshadweep.
This submarine OFC has to do many things for Lakshadweep. You know very well that Lakshadweep is a far-flung, isolated islands where we depend for everything mainland. See, for the medical expert ideas or for anything, we need a better connectivity of internet here. Now, by announcing this auspicious project, Lakshadweep is going to witness a remarkable change in the development in all the citizen services, all medical areas, and even for the employment opportunity of the islanders. This has to contribute many things.
In this internet era, limitations in bandwidth and poor mobile connectivity has become an added disadvantage to these geographically isolated islands. With the Prime Minister's announcement of connecting islands to mainland by submarine optical fiber cable, this long-pending issue will now have a permanent solution.
The peoples of Lakshadweep will be, especially the youth, will be very, very happy today that we are going to get a lot of job opportunities and other part of developments in the state.
The cable will be laid under sea and will connect Kochi to islands in a ring topology. Each OFC will be having 6 pairs and will be 1,772 kilometers long. One cable line will connect inhabited islands starting from Kapeni Island and will finally reach Minicoy, the southernmost inhabited island. The other line will directly connect Kochi to Minicoy. The double line system will ensure connectivity with mainland even if there is an issue along one line. In the opinion of experts, this will be the first of its kind project in India with this vision. The project is expected to be completed in 1,000 days with an estimated budget of 1,087 crores. Abdul Salam, DD India, Lakshadweep.
Hassan, there in this